There's something on my screen. Oh, it's just a reflection. Thought I had something on my windshield.
That was using your bottle. Oh no.
Okay, can we stop playing with the spiders?
I'm not playing with them. Just watching this poor guy struggle.
I'm about to squish him.
No. You should be happy I'm not freaking out about it. It looks more like an ant.
Did I emphasize how much I don't care about the spider?
I'm not talking to you about the spider. I'm talking to myself.
I noticed you can do that with your internal monologue. Why are you so mean to me? I can't believe I hadn't been up through here. Or if I did, I didn't know what it was. Because I lost my gas tank in the F-150 up here when I first started wheeling.
What's your gas tank?
Yeah, my gas tank straps were rotted and the fucking gas tank fell out and got wrapped right up around the drive shaft against the rear axle. That was a fun night. I was with Chris Kraft and he had to pull me and my cousin out. And he didn't have full-wheel drive because of his front U-joint had gone out. So he had to pull us in two-wheel drive, so he's spinning rocks the entire time, beating the shit out of the windshield. We were actually ducking because we're like, this windshield's gonna break. Good times. I remember I was pissed too because I just put 20 bucks in. 20 bucks was a lot back then.
Your cousin Kate?
To a teenager, yeah. Somebody's been through here and something weird. Fucking flat-ass wheels. Almost looks like plastic. They're logging ahead? Did you see that massive nest?
What, in the tree?
Yeah, there's a wasp nest back there. It's like
wrap around the tree?
Yeah, it's
I
like.
don't think that was wasp nest.
Oh,
I think that was just like a tree ward.
Yeah. Well,
Trees be doing that.
trees be doing that. Silly trees. Oh, look, soft, like a nest.
It's like a pin. What a weird little touch, dude.
Now we're body shaming the spider.
I never said it was a bad beard. His butt kind of does like a goes out like this.
Thanks for the explanation.
Oh, now he's sticking it up in the air.
As if I can't see him. Is he dancing?
He'd be twerking.
Twerking spiders.
He's trying to get that money.
Ain't getting none from me. Yeah, they're the deer flies.
Poor guy. Oh, what?
Half a dozen of them.
Oh, no. This dude's fucking crazy with his webs. No!
I'm sick of the spider. Hello?
What was that?
What was that?
Maybe that's the log truck?
It sounded like a fucking demon.
Mm-hmm.
hear the train from here, obviously. Oh. I know for a fact I've been through here on a snowmobile.
Spider back.
No. It's just some tree debris. Some kind. Got pooped on by a tree.
Tree poop.
Is that good luck? Like a bird? We'll go home. We got one more trail to hit. It's so funny how off that map is. Do you want to go get ice cream? Run and start for this. Do you want to hit Bobby Sue's on the way home?
We're out to be an ice cream.
Dear kiddo. If they're open for this season. Oh, it's July, they must be. Rugged.
Or we go to like the Elgin one.
Oh yeah, we haven't tried that.
Yeah, I don't think I've tried their ice cream. I've tried like their
You had a
like, their
sandwich there or
subs.
something.
Hmm?
Nothing, we said the same thing.
I've had like food there before.
sounds like a dirt bike. Oh yeah, chainsaw. Is it one of those tree cutter machines? The ones that like grab the tree, cut it, and then can rotate it?
You were the best way this.
Might be.
Get off me. You move way too fast.
You have a whole lot of friends back there.
This one's not my friend. I don't like his vibe.
Well, get rid of them. See? How hard was that?
He's my little spider guy. Maybe leave a web on me.
Are they still in the cabin here somewhere?